Alright, good morning everybody. Good day from every part of the world you are. How are you doing? I believe yesterday was awesome because of the powerful signal we gave yesterday. So today we'll be furthering our course. So yesterday the signals we gave and the trade we came online to place, all of them went very successful. So I would advise, if you haven't watched our videos, go back to watch them. Go and watch our analysis for the week that we gave. Everything has been going through, which was the one we gave on Monday. So we'll be continuing right away. So we'll be making use of some currency pairs. We are going to be observing some of them. So we are going to check some of these currency pairs to know what is obtainable exactly. So we are going to check Euro JPY. I talked about Euro JPY yesterday. I spoke about it yesterday that it is okay, very good. You could see it here that it's having a possible down trend because of the resistance that is above. So if I could color grade it and make this picture even thicker, you would see it. You could see it that the first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, then yesterday it went to catch the fourth resistance, and we predicted this market is going to have a good sell. So we are going to go for the sell. We are going to use a reasonable lot size. Mind you, if you don't know how to use lot size, if you don't know the perfect lot size to use for your trade, please do well to let us know in the comment below. Yes, do well to let us know in the comment below, because one thing is not just to place trade, one thing also is to maximize your trade profit. We started with $1,000 in this account. Right now we are at 3,000, almost $3,500. We made a profit over 709. We made another profit over 1,007, and right now we are taking our third trade. So from here we are going to put our stop loss, yes, not too far away, somewhere here. That is where we are going to indicate our stop loss, and our take profit will be somewhere at this place here, because it's not just a one-day trade. Yes, it's a very good trade. So we are going to put our TP somewhere here. So this is about 1 to 4 thereabout. So we're going to impute our parameters and plug them in. We are going to impute our parameters and plug them in immediately. Very good, very good. And the next we are going to do is to plug in the take profit, which we are copying right now, and we are going over to our trade to paste it. All right, very good. So you could see here our stop loss and take profit have been implemented. Yeah, it's very good. So next online we are going to observe the rest charts. Eurocard, what does Eurocard has for us today? We are hoping to see something beautiful. Okay, it hasn't done much. We are still waiting for any activity to occur. If we should check gold, what is gold doing today? Okay, gold hasn't done much either. So we don't know for this gold market because it's not telling us anything reasonable. Going into this trade will be a blind trading and it is not good. So we are going to leave it. If we should check USD JPY, about 2 days ago I predicted that we should all sell this market if you were online, and this market sold greatly before it retraced up. Yes, it sold greatly and hit our tick before retracing up. So we are going to leave this USD JPY. There is no market here. If we should check our USD card, it seems also there isn't any market here too. There isn't any market here also. We are going to leave it. We should check pounds to the dollar. If there is anything for us today also, nothing, because the chart is not well equipped with the necessary confluences we are looking for. So we are going to leave it. Go over to Euro GBP to check if it has anything for us to. Let us see and confirm. It's not really doing much. It's not really doing much. You can't call this a breakout, neither can we call it anything, but it's kind of channeling. Yes, a progressive channel. Look at it from this point here, and if you look at it too. Oh, sorry, I want to touch the M1. If you look at it from this point to here, it's kind of making a channel. Well, from here we could risk buying. We could risk buying the pounds dollar. Yes, we could risk it. It could make a good buy. It could make a good buy. I think we can risk this and put a very close stop loss. So please, if you are online, you could also put a buy on Euro GBP, which is your Euro pounds. You could put a buy alongside with it. Yes, this is a very sharp trade. So we can go over here and use a lot size of 1.8. Very good. Yes, so we can place a parameter of here talking about our take profit and stop losses, but I will encourage you shouldn't risk much for this trade, because if you risk much it might wound you. So at this juncture I would say that our stop loss should be at the previous low. Yes, beneath the previous low. That is where I'll put the stop loss. So copy our parameter, we'll go to our trade and we implement it there. Yes, then we go over to our take profit. Where should we put the take profit? Like I said, this trade is just a tight trade, so we are going to put the take profit. We can put it here, but we are not going to take too much risk, so we'll put it somewhere here. Yes, that should be about 1 to 3. It is good. So we'll copy our parameters We'll copy our parameters and we'll go over to paste it in our trade. Exactly. So we are good to go. This trade is perfect. This trade is perfect. So next up, we'll check Euro CHF if it has anything in store for us. Okay, yes, it did seem it had, because this was kind of a distance for us. This section below was kind of a resistance for us, but it isn't strong at all. If we should check with H4, we could see it, a kind of resistance, but we can't risk it. Let us have a deeper insight of what the market will do. So next up, we have checked the euro card before. We check the euro odd to know if there is anything for us to do. Okay, nothing much. Wow, look at the powerful buying power. It's almost looking like a maribuzo. It's almost looking like a maribuzo. Very sharp, very sharp. The buying power is enormous. So we are going to leave that trade. We'll check on the CHF JPY, that's your Swiss franc, to the yen, the Japanese yen precisely. Okay, there is a trade for us here, but we are yet to understand the nature of this market. We are yet to understand the nature of this market. Yes, we can't place a sell. Does it want to follow the trend line? This is the trend line. Sorry, I put the wrong tool. Alright, this is the trend line. Does it want to follow this trend line, or is it making a resistance at this point here? Is it the resistance at that point? We are yet to find out. We are going to give it some time to move so we could ascertain and know. So we are checking Canadian dollars to the Swiss franc, and wow, this is a good trade, but we are just going to leave a parameter there, and the parameter will be on the basis of weighting, and that weighting will be at this point here, somewhere here. Very good. Or here, either here is better. The low tendency will break here, so if it reaches here, better. So we are going to wait till it reaches here. Very good, we are making progress. And this trade, wow, this is also a maribuso, kind of what a strong selling power. So this trade, we are going to leave it. We're not going to touch it. But if you want to follow up this trade, you could use a trend line. If you check from H4, you could use a trend line to monitor this trade, so you could see it. So we are just going to wait. So this is all for today, guys. We'll be communicating later in the day to check the progress of our trade. So if you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe. Go and watch our other videos, educate yourself, look at our live trade, our live profits as we are trading with real cash and real money. If you haven't subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please do that so that whenever I post new live videos, you could see them. So this is it. Please do well and do good to follow us. And if you're a forex trader, you don't know the right lot size to use to maximize your profit and reduce your risk, please comment on the comment section below. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Peace.